As a doctor, which credentials matter the most to potential patients? When patients are choosing a healthcare provider, they often look at the mix of qualification, experience, and personal qualities that make them feel confident and cared for. Verified qualifications and experience are usually the first thing they check. Patients want to know that their doctor has right medical degrees, board certifications, and specific training needed for their condition or procedure. For instance, a surgeon with a strong track record of a particular type of surgery is more reassuring than someone with general experience. Credentialing and licensing also plays a big role. It's comforting for patients to know that their doctor has gone through proper checks to ensure their education, training, and certification that meet the industry standards. This process not only confirms the doctor's competence but also builds trust by showing they are compliant with regulations and have a clean professional history. Beyond technical skills, patients deeply value communication and empathy. They want doctors who can explain complex medical conditions in simple terms and genuinely listen to their concerns. A caring and understanding approach can make all the difference in how the patient feels about their treatment journey. Professionalism is another key factor. Patients expect their doctors to act ethically, respect their privacy, and always prioritize what's best for them. Traits like integrity and transparency go a long way in building trust and loyalty. Reputation also matters a lot. Whether it's through word of mouth recommendations or online reviews, patients often rely on what others say about a doctor. Credentialing further strengthens this trust by ensuring that there is no history of malpractice or disciplinary actions. Lastly, affiliations with recognized institutions can influence decisions too. A doctor who has studied at a reputed medical college or works with a well known hospital often gives patients an added sense of credibility and assurance. In the end, patients are looking for a combination of expertise, verified credentials, and a personal touch when choosing their healthcare provider. If you are looking to grow your practice or connect better with your patients, follow us for tailored solutions designed just for healthcare professionals. Thank you.